Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it has been a while, but I'm here. Hello, welcome. So in today's video, I am doing this look that you obviously see right here, but it is based off the first snow of the season that we have here where I lived. So if you want to learn how to achieve this look, or if you just want to watch for fun, that's what I do a lot of the time, just keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome to the family. Please like and subscribe down below. We are so close to 100 subscribers, and I know that's really not a lot, but it'll be triple digits. It's a big deal. Welcome, come join. Alright guys, so I already have my eyelids primed and they're prepped and ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in probably really lightly with the shade Fake Tan. And today I am using the Natasha Denona Tropic palette to achieve the look that we are going for. So since this is just going to be my transition color and I want it to be really light, I'm just going to go in with a Morphe M531 brush. It's just super fluffy. You can see it's like as big as my eye basically. But that is just going to lightly put that color on there. That way we have something to work with. Alright, next, using the same brush, we are going to go in very light-handedly with, ooh, I'm going to pronounce this really wrong. I want to say it's Laguna, but it's just this really stark, like, blue shade. But basically, hi, welcome to my channel. This is a place where I mispronounce all my words in my entire vocabulary. It's what I'm popular for. But I'm just taking this shade the same way that I did with the other, and we're just going to blend them together. And then once we've done that, we'll pick up more of that blue shade and pack more on with another brush. Alright, and then now I'm just going to take a MAC 224 brush, and we're just going to go back in with Laguna and keep that all nice in our crease. Yeah. And whenever I am blending it out, I always bring it out almost to the tail of my eyebrow instead of rounding it out, because my eyes are already like so small in my face and my face is already so round. I like to elongate my eyes out to make it appear like I'm not as round as what I am. And then now I'm going to be taking the shade Tiger Lily, and I'm just putting it on a Morphe M514 brush, and we're going to be keeping that nice and tight in our crease. Yeah, I'm going to focus a lot of the product here in the outer V of my eye, and then just slowly blend that inward. We are going to take the shade called Mint Frost. And there's just this little guy right here. And I'm taking this on a MAC 242. And we are just going to put that on our lid through there. We are just packing this on. Alright, and then I am just going to go back in with our Morphe M514, and I'm not putting any more product on it, but I'm just going to go through and blend out right through here. Alright, and then I am just going to take a makeup wipe real quick and clean up my fallout. If you want, you can always sharpen up the outer portion of your eye, which I really enjoy doing. Now that I have that cleaned up, so in order to kind of give like this first snow vibe, I am just going to take a white eyeliner and we are going to draw some snowflakes on our eyes because we like to be a little extra. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Cloud. I think this is the lightest shade they have. I don't know. I was torn between this one and the next shade up. Because I was like, I think this one's actually too light for me. But one shade up was too yellow. So, this is what we go with, and we're just going to bronze, contour, bring some color back into the skin. But I'm just going to put it on my little palette right here. And I am just going to take a MAC 170 brush and we're going to put it all over the face. Now I do put it on like with this brush and then I go back over with my sponge to really give it like that seamless look. Because I honestly can't find a foundation brush that I am like obsessed with at the moment. I used the Morphe M439 brush for the longest time, and then here recently, no matter how many times I clean mine, after like one use, all of the like bristles, like you can kind of see this one's doing it too. They like clump together, and it doesn't matter like if I washed it like 2 days ago, if I washed it like a week ago, like it doesn't matter how often I wash it. Like after 1 or 2 applications, it goes right back to that, and I'm just like, yeah. So I'm just experimenting with brushes right now because I really like putting my foundation on with a brush. It's just my personal preference. So if you have any brushes that you're loving, please let me know. I think this is light. I don't know, that's a pretty close match, guys. Ugh, I'm darn. And I'm just going to put more foundation on my cheeks because I'm red and I don't want it to put through. I love the way this foundation looks though. Like, we're just going to go ahead because I bet you could see that redness still popping through. Yeah, okay, in the viewfinder I look white as heck. In my mirror, I look normal. Which one do I believe? Which one is it? Okay, next for concealer, I am taking the Cover FX Power Play Concealer in the shade N1 Fair. We just need just a little bit, like barely any. We are all blended out. I am going to take the caps already off because I used it to set my eyes. But it is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Sugar Cookie, which is dark white. I have only used this once, So I don't know if it's going to give me flashback. So we'll find out. But right now this foundation's giving me flashback. So what are we going to do? And then now I am going to be taking the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder because it feels amazing on my skin. And I'm just going to use this to set the rest of my face. Oh, but this powder feels so good. It's literally like water on your face. It's amazing. Like, if you don't have this in your life yet, I'm just going to go ahead and recommend that you go out and buy it. Normally, I'm not... Okay, I really am that friend. Like, if we're out shopping together, I'm like, oh my god, you need it. Like, I am a terrible influence. See, and like just the tiniest little bit, it really locks you in there. Alright, and then since we are so pale right now, so pale, we are gonna go ahead and kind of contour and bronze up our face. Alright, shade Sculpt. So that is what we are gonna go in with to sculpt out our face. Makes sense. Way to go, Charlie. Alright, so the brush I am going to use to be contouring / bronzing at my face today is the Lexi 522 Tapered Highlighting Brush. I know it says highlighting. I really like it for my contour. So like, look at how seamlessly it blends that out. Chunky, nope. Chunky, nope. We're going to anyway. Okay, so we're gonna take my favorite bronzer on demand. This is the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. If you haven't used it, go out and buy it right now. It is literally the best thing in the whole entire world. And it smells good. Marc Jacobs, if you want to sponsor me. I love all of your things. Okay, but really, and honestly, it is my favorite bronzer. It's absolutely amazing. I'm just going to take a Morphe M527 brush, and there we go. We're getting somewhere. I'm just going to take this Lancome blush in the shade A Plum. Looks like this. And then this next process that we're about to go through, some of y'all are honestly gonna think I'm crazy for everything I'm about to do for my highlighting, but it's okay. We're gonna glow. So I am gonna start off by taking the Hourglass Luminous Light highlighter. It is darker than my skin, but the way I use it is I'm gonna take it on a Lexi 516 Dual Fiber Powder Brush, and we're just gonna get some product, shake off that excess, and I'm gonna like smile. You know how it goes. I'm just gonna focus it right there on the apples of my cheeks, cause like we're good. Oh, we're glowing. I'm gonna take a Becca highlighter in the shade Opal, and we don't need a whole lot of this because they are very, very pigmented. Alright, and then now I am going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and pop on some lashes, and I will be right back. Alright, so we are back, and I just realized I never did my under eye and we have to do lips, so I figured I'd come back on camera real quick and we will do that together. I feel like I look more like me now that I have my eyebrows on, so so we are just going to take a nice square little definer brush. I am using the Morphe M432. And I'm going to be taking the Tiger Lily, which is our dark blue shade. And I'm just going to take that really close and tight to my lash line. And I am connecting that to the outer portion of my other eyeshadow. Really simple, really quick, really easy. And then I am taking a Lexi M41 mini round brush. It's actually really cute. It just came in the BoxyCharm. It's actually glitter, and I don't know if it's gonna focus on you. Yeah, super pretty. We're just gonna go in with that light blue shade in Laguna and smoke it out. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner and my brow bone real quick because I feel like alright guys, and that completes tonight's look. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. This is my first snow of the year makeup tutorial. If you liked what you saw, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see next time. Let me know if you'd be interested, whether you want to see my boyfriend pick out my makeup and I go off what he picks out, or if you'd like to see a complete one brand tutorial. Or I can do both. You just let me know the order you want to see them in. But I will be seeing you again very, very soon. So until next time, bye guys!